Kaya that analogy was not meant maliciously. It was an analogy based dun sa konteksto nung pagdinig dito. It may have been in bad taste for some. I apologize kung meron tayong mga sensitivities na tinamaan, but that was not the intention. The intention was to make a point na usually, oftentimes, statements are taken out of context and conclusions are made. Yun yung unang punto. Ang pangalawang punto ko, desires and imagination cannot be made an impeachable offense pagdating dito sa impeachment proceeding. Parang kasi kailangan ng overt act eh. Desires and imagination is also not a criminal offense. Yun yung analogy dun eh. In fact, ulitin ko, it was a fictitious situation. Hindi ko pa nga nakikita si Ann in person, manood ko lang siya